Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Mykeypremium remote start. This 2013 Kia Optima, and it is also suitable for 2011 to 2014 models. You could order this product on mykeypremium.com. I'll drop the link down below for you. Before you order this product, just make sure you have a push button start system. If you don't have that, your car is not going to work. What I like about this product is that it's very easy and simple to install it. You don't have to cut any wires, and you don't need any additional key fobs. You use the original key fob. Now let me show you how to install it. For this installation, you're gonna need a screwdriver and a ratchet with a 10mm socket. So you're gonna get this module, looks like this. Make sure for this model, you'll have this set up. On the red side, the first one is up, 2, 3 are down, fourth one is up. And then on the black side channels, all 4 of them are up. And then you'll get this set of wires. Basically what it is, you have two types of connectors. These ones, and you have these. They call them mothers, and these are fathers. So the fathers are going to be connected to the car's connectors, and mothers are going to be connected to the car's module. And these two are going to be connected to the module that you got from us. First thing first, we're gonna have to take this panel out. It has 2 clips. All you have to do is just press on them, and it comes right out. Put this away. Next thing we do, we're gonna have to take this glove compartment. Pull this out, and you have these 2 clippers. One on this side, and the one on this side. Turn them. Just like that, and you have 2 clips, one here and then one on the other side. This one is already out. So now I'm gonna have to take these screws out. We have 4 here, 1 over here, and then 2 right on this panel. We'll get to it. Here you go. So now we'll be working with this module over here, with these connectors. First thing, we have to unscrew these bolts, these 2. The module will pop out. For that, you're gonna need a 10mm socket. Second is out. All you have to do is push it in. Now let's get it from underneath, so we have better play. So we have better access to the connectors, just like that. So you have 1 connector here, and then we're gonna take this one out. This is the biggest one and the smallest one, so don't get confused. They also has like these little pins. Push them in and pull it out. 1 is out. Same thing on the smaller one. Now the second one's out. Now here, I'm gonna take this one out as well. go, now it's out. As you see, these are the fathers, and they're all different sizes. This is the biggest one, smallest one, and this is the one right in the middle. This one will go into the side connector. So this is the connector that we unplugged from the side, not underneath, not from here. We unplugged this from here. We unplugged this connector, we unplugged it from the side. Now we'll use our connector, plug it in, just like that. Make sure it clicks. You have to make sure it's all the way, otherwise it's not gonna work. Now this one goes right in here. There you go. Make sure it clicks. And now with the rest of them, again, this is the biggest one. It's gonna go in just like that. Again, make sure it clicks. And the last one, which is the smallest one, we're gonna connect it to the car's connector, just like that. Push it all the way in. Make sure all the way in. Now we're left with these two connectors. Now these two connectors are gonna go straight in there. Pretty simple. One is in, and now the last one is in. Here you go. Now we have to put this back all the way it was. have these two connectors. This is power, it connects last. First thing, this one, and then power. There you go, you're gonna hear some beeps. Once you test it and everything is working, just hide this behind the panel and then put the panel back into place. And once you finish the installation, all you have to do is just press the lock button twice with one small interval, just like that. And here you go, the car started. And once you're in the car, all you have to do is just press the brake pedal, put in gear, and you're good to go.
It's 48 right now. Good afternoon, I'm Larry.
And you're gonna have another cool function, automatic door lock and unlock. Basically what it means that as you approach the car should automatically unlock itself. Check it out.